Did somebody say it's summertime? Summertime in Texas? Well, I heard New York got up to 95 last week and we were in the 70s and 80s. What's wrong? That's topsy-turvy. But today I have the summer GQ box. That's right, this is for you men out there. That's right, the man of your life. Are you ready for Father's Day? Or maybe you have a birthday in June or July or August for your man or your brother, your friend, your other half, or your better half. Is that how you say that? But hey guys, whatever it is, I've got a nice little surprise in here for them, and you want to be sure and stay tuned. This is Miss Jackie Russell. That's my channel. My name is Vicky, and I'm here to unbox this GQ box. Do you know anyone in your life that would like to get a box dedicated to him for a change? I know us ladies, we have plenty that come our way. The GQ box is $59.99 a quarter. Very affordable, but hey guys, you can nab this box for $29.95 if you sign up now and use the code word DEAL, all caps, DEAL. I do not have a referral. I do not have a affiliate with GQ, but what I do have is a code because they sent me an email trying to get me to subscribe, which is kind of funny because I'm already subscribed. So I don't know, but anyway, maybe they sent it so I'd pass it on to you guys. And I am, and you're going to want to do this if you have someone special in your life, because the one thing in here is a $75 value. And yeah, it's a nice little gift. This is our little product card to kind of give you an idea what you're going to be looking at. And they tell us all about it. I just love a product card, don't you? Oh my goodness, well I don't know if I can pull out the number one item. I'm just going to have to pull out what I can. But I'm all ready for summer, are you? I've got my FabFitFun summer hat on. Oh, and I have my pearl necklace that I got for my birthday. Remember I told you I had hanging pearls? Well, there they are. Wouldn't you say that was a good match? Yeah, when I seen that, when I was shopping for my birthday, I thought I got to nab that necklace. And I did. Okay, well, it says redeem your silk cut boxer briefs. It's a $40 value. They're made out of silk. And guys, I want to tell you, when they don't have your size or not sure, and it's kind of like a surprise or put in the box, you get to go online, tell them your size, and they will ship it to you. Isn't that great? It's like a drop ship program. And it says redeem your silk cut boxer briefs. Micro model air, feather light, breathable, buildable for all day wear. Yours free while supplies last. silkcutunderwear.com. So I have a code, and I'll do that right away so that I can try to get my hubby some silk shorts. So I think that's really cool. And it's a retail value of $40. Now I did pay $59 for my box because my first box was like $19.99. And when I seen what was going to be in this box, I went ahead and kept my subscription. And I will tell you, GQ Box is also owned by Allure, or affiliated with Allure. So, when you join GQ, you're going to get a lot of Allure information. But anyways, let's move on here and see what else we have here. I'm seeing something called the House of Atlas Razor Kit. And that is right here. And it has essential razors. It's a razor handle and 2 times 5 blade refills. So that's pretty cool. Why you'll love it? Say hello to your new favorite razor. It's engineered and precision pullback guard ergonomic handle to deliver the best shave yet. And then the value of this is $10. So it's not like over the top, but when you go to the store these days, some of these razors are $10 and $12, $15. They're getting higher and higher. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is some OBGY Medical Hydrate Facial Moisturizer. Now, OBGY is really nice. I have one that I'm using. It's for sensitive skin. It's like a pump serum, and I really like it. This here is Why You'll Love It. Lightweight, fast absorbing, never greasy. It delivers all day hydration while keeping skin balanced, exactly what you want when the heat and the humidity hits. And boy, is that true. I may have to use some of this. I get that humidity look sometimes, just kind of sweltering. I don't know if that's the word to use. But they always have neat packaging, and I like it that it's a pump, and you can pump out your moisturizer. Let's try it. It came out really quick. It doesn't really have a scent, which is good. It's medical grade, so you got to remember you're looking at a very good product. The value of this is $70. This more than paid for the box, not to mention my $40 shorts over there that are going to be silk. But this one product more than pays for the box. So OBGY, and I may not be saying that right, might be OBG. I don't know, but anyway, that's what I got. And then the next item I'm pulling out of here, ooh, looks like we got some parfum. Some L'Atelier. Maybe I'll say it like that. I don't get these French pronunciations. L'Atelier Parfum is a green crush hair and body mist. Why You'll Love It. It's mojito inspired. Now, I love mojitos. That sounds good. That's bright and herbalist up top with just enough wood and musk underneath to keep it from being fleeting. And how you'll use it, well, I'm assuming you just spray it all over. So let's try this out. Some of these men's colognes can be good for us women too. But of course it's designed for him. And you got nice packaging there. And it's Green Crush. Smells good. I can smell that. What did it say? What kind of wood was it? Just says enough wood and then musk underneath. So yeah, I can smell that. That's really nice. It's got a bright mojito. Very nice. I think you'll like that. So see what nice gifts. Now, if you have several men in your life, you can get this box and pass out several nice gifts individually. Keep that in mind for $29.95 if you use that code DEAL. Because that is a deal. Oh, that smells good. And a mojito. I like that. All right. Our next item, and I think it's, oh, nope, not our final. Our next item is the Pocket Square Clothing Ian Sunshades. So you got PSC, Los Angeles, and Why You'll Love It. Well, they're sunshades for one thing, but it says you'll love it because it's a millennialist style, small batch crafted, effortless swag, a modern frame that elevates the everyday without trying too hard. Just the right amount of presence. It's a $50 value, and of course it says you can use them every day. So let's take a look at them. They've got them packaged up well, and then I like that it has a little case. And in that case you also have a little eyeglass cloth for cleansing, and I always love it when they do that. It's got their website on there. Having that on there, that's always nice. And it was sitting right behind there, just like that. So this will make a perfect gift. And then these are the sunshades. And my husband lost all his sunshades, so I got some from Jeff Fu, and he's really been liking them. And now he's going to have some of these. And this would work for me too, but they're made for men, so I'll pass it along and let him enjoy it. But I do like the frames. They're very nice, and they've got that, I don't know, that polished like satin finish. So very nice. And then it also has not those metal things, but the nose frame that's all in one, so it's not irritating. So very nice. I think he'll like these. This is a win. I think everything in this box he'll like and he'll use. But like I said, there's so many different things you could absolutely gift this out to several of your men in your family. Now the last thing is the shirt. It's a polo shirt. It is a $75 value. So our box, I'm not sure what the value was, but it was over $200. It says get it by Father's Day if you order by June 11th. So keep that in mind and use the code DEAL, and you can get it for $29.95 if you've not subscribed. Let's take a look at this shirt. Very nice polo shirt. I got him an extra large. I'm going to have to start downsizing. I think he's lost a little bit of weight, but I think he can still wear a large shirt comfortably. And you've got all your PX tags on here. So it comes with the tags on it, just like if you bought it at the store. It's a PX and it's a navy blue. You didn't get a choice in color, but you did get a choice in size. So I got him his size, and I think he'll really like this. He likes blue, and he likes to wear blue shirts. So hey guys, what do you think about the summer GQ box? Do you have a favorite? Was it the shirt? Was it the fabulous PSC sunshades? Was it the Atlas razor? We can all use this, I think. Was it the cologne, the perfume, the hair and body mist? Great. And then we even had an Aubergine, maybe that's how you say it, Aubergine Hydrate Facial Moisturizer, which I'll probably end up using that. He doesn't ever use that. So this was a great box, and it says Elevated Essentials for him. For the guy who's hard to shop for, or the one that's just getting started, a GQ box subscription makes the perfect gift and deals. And for grads, that's another great idea. If you got graduates, look at all the gifts you got here for graduates. Wow. Okay, guys, and you can pick your size of shirt. And don't forget, we're going to get some silky boxer shorts as soon as I get online and get them ordered. One year, it's been a while since I've had this subscription for him, but one year he got to get some really nice swim trunks. And I think those were like a $75 or $80 value back then. So I don't know how much they'd be now. But that's my GQ box, or that's my husband's GQ box, however you want to look at it. Let me know what your favorite is. Don't forget to use DEAL, DEAL in caps, so that you can get this box for $29.95 to start off with and have all these wonderful gifts for Father's Day. But guys, that's it. Let me know. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe, the notification bell, hit the like. Everybody helps our algorithm. And share me out if you like, or do a hype, whatever you have. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.